you ready to embark on a journey of personal growth and become the best version of yourself? Well, you've come to the right place. In this video, we'll explore practical strategies and techniques to kickstart your self-improvement journey and turn it into a lifelong habit. Before we get into the tips, let's start by defining what self-improvement is. Self-improvement is the process of making positive changes in your life. It can involve anything from improving your physical health to developing your mental skills to learning new things. The goal of self-improvement is to become the best version of yourself. It's about living your life to the fullest and achieving your full potential. There are many reasons why self-improvement is important. Here are a few of the most important ones. When you make positive changes to your lifestyle, you can improve your physical health, reduce your stress levels, and boost your mood. It can help you achieve your goals. When you set goals for yourself and work towards them, you're more likely to achieve them. Self-improvement can help you set realistic goals and develop the skills and habits you need to achieve them. It can make you happier. When you're happy with yourself and your life, you're more likely to be content and satisfied with your life. Self-improvement can help you identify and address the areas of your life that are making you unhappy and make positive changes to improve your overall happiness. Now, let's dive into the details and discover the path to greatness. Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither will your path to self-improvement. The first step is all about starting small but aiming high. Think of it as building the foundation of a grand castle of personal growth. Here's how you can begin. Begin by identifying what areas of your life you'd like to improve. Define specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound, SMART goals to stay focused and motivated. Small actions, when repeated consistently, can lead to significant change. Cultivate positive habits that align with your goals. Remember, success is the sum of small efforts, repeated day in and day out. Acknowledge every little step forward and celebrate your achievements. Pat yourself on the back, and remember that progress is progress, no matter how small. Now that you've laid the groundwork, it's time to nurture your self-improvement journey and watch yourself blossom. Like a mighty oak tree, growth takes time and patience, but it's all worth it in the end. Here's how you can keep growing. Be a lifelong student and stay open to new knowledge and experiences. Read books, take courses, listen to podcasts, soak up wisdom like a sponge. Growth happens when you challenge yourself. Don't be afraid to take calculated risks and face your fears. Amazing things await just beyond your comfort zone. Surround yourself with supportive and like-minded individuals who inspire and uplift you. Remember, you are the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with. Along the path of self-improvement, you will face obstacles and roadblocks. But worry not. These challenges are opportunities to develop your warrior mindset, a resilient spirit that can conquer any adversities. Here's how to keep pushing forward. Failure is not the end, it's a stepping stone to success. Learn from your mistakes, dust yourself off, and get back up stronger than before. Be kind to yourself. You are human, and it's okay to have setbacks. Treat yourself with the same love and understanding you'd give to a dear friend. Even during the tough times, remind yourself why you started this journey. Your commitment to self-improvement will keep you on track, no matter the challenges that come your way. Congratulations! You've completed our guide on how to make self-improvement a lifestyle. Remember, the journey to personal growth is a marathon, not a sprint. It's about progress, not perfection. Start small, keep growing, and embrace the warrior within you. As you consistently work towards getting better, you'll be amazed at the incredible transformation you'll experience in every aspect of your life. So, go ahead, take that first step towards a better you. It's time to unlock your full potential and embark on an extraordinary journey of self-improvement. Remember, greatness awaits those who dare to take action. Now, let's get out there and start building the future you deserve. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.